Okay, a little bit of a flooring problem. Got a piece here.
There is usually a gap underneath the shoe base to allow for expansion and contraction of the
Sometimes what
planks.
happens is one piece right here slips under, but this looks like something different here. This one looks like looks like a bad slice out of this piece here. Looks like it's missing in that corner. I think I'll have my flooring company come back and fix that. Sometimes, you know, if it was just moved over, that happens. But this one, it doesn't really look moved over. It looks like it's missing a little chunk. I can try to take my knife and put it in there. See if I can lift this up. Oh yeah, there we go. A little leverage. Hopefully I don't poke the piece too much. But yeah, there we go. Much better, right? Now, probably need something to kind of wedge in there to keep that from going back, because that thing is going to want to, over time, slip back under there. We don't want that. All right.
So I found a little piece and wedged it in there.
There we go. Now it's really going to hold in there. We could use a little caulking or whatnot, but at least now it's not going to move. And that's that. All right. Done deal.
A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.